Hey, it's Software Engineer 101. Today we're going to cover C#, the basics of object-oriented programming. We'll create a class in C#, an object, and we'll access it and print its properties to a console. To get started, open up your Visual Studio, create a new project, type in console.net. We want the C# console app.net. Let's type in object programming. Check the place solution project in the same directory and click on the latest .NET framework. Once you have that, click create. Alright. So as you can see, our namespace is object programming. We have an internal class called program. And then we have our static void main, our main method. Before we get started, we need to create a class. I'm going to create a class that stores basic company information. So over here on the right on your Solution Explorer, right click and go to Add Class, click add. Alright, I'm going to rename this. I'm going to call it company. Click yes here, it'll just go through the file and rename anything class 1 to company. Alright, so inside of your internal class company, we're going to create some properties that we think should exist that we can access. Let's create our first property that we're going to be able to access. We are going to make a public string name. We're going to be able to store a company name. And we want to be able to get and set it. Alright, I'm going to click on that line, Control D, just duplicate it, save typing, and let's do what sector of work they're in. And then let's do maybe year founded. Control S, save that. So we're done here on our company class. Let's go back to program.cs. First thing, I'm going to create a new company. Company, let's call it 1 equals new company. Let's make one.name equal, it's a string, apple. Let's make one.sector equal information technology. One.year founded equals 1976. Alright, and let's make this easy on ourselves. Let's do this for 2 more companies. Just gonna copy and paste. Let's name this one 2, and let's say Microsoft. Information technology, year is 1975. Alright, another copy paste. Oops. Up here, make sure you change your 2 properties to 2. Alright, now we're on 3. Let's do something different. Let's do McDonald's. And they are not information technology, so let's change that. Consumer discretionary. And you're founded 1955. Now that we have our 3 companies created, let's print these out to the console. Console dot right line string builder. First company, let's go one dot name. then we're going to do a \n, which in a string will create a new line in the console window. Let's go sector. Then again after that, \n new line and year founded. We'll just say founded. Let's go one.year founded. Spelled sector there. Alright, I'm going to Control D that line twice and change these to 2. And same down here, but with 3. Alright. And before we run this, the console app will just close after a run. So we need to stop that. And we'll do that with the console.read. Alright. Control save, press F5, and we should see this print out all 3 of the companies here. So here we go. We have Apple, Sector Information Technology, year founded in 1976. Microsoft, Information Tech, 1975. McDonald's, Consumer Discretionary, 1955. So this is the very basics of object-oriented programming, where you can create classes of objects and add properties and access those from another class. Very straightforward. In the coming videos, we will do some more advanced projects where we're going to kind of include everything that I've done into one project. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks.